Now let's get practical. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to launch effective seasonal campaigns using Oberlo. Step 1. Identify your key seasons and niches. Don't just think of the big holidays like Christmas and Black Friday. Consider smaller but equally impactful seasons relevant to your niche. For a fitness store, the New Year resolutions or the start of summer might be huge. For a home decor store, spring cleaning season or the approach of Thanksgiving gatherings could be key. Start by brainstorming all the potential seasons and events that could align with your product catalog. Then, analyze your past sales data, if you have it, to see which periods have historically performed well. If you're new, research general e-commerce trends for your niche during different times of the year. Google Trends can be an invaluable tool here to see search volume for relevant keywords over time. Once you've identified your key seasons, think about specific product niches within your store that would be particularly relevant during those times. For example, during the holiday season, you might focus on giftable items. For back to school, you'd highlight stationery, organizers, and tech accessories. Step 2. Product sourcing with Oberlo. Now that you know what kind of products you want to feature, it's time to head over to Oberlo. Use specific keywords related to the season and your niche to search for relevant products on AliExpress. Let's say it's almost Halloween and you run a general merchandise store. You could search for terms like Halloween decorations, costume accessories, spooky party supplies, etc. When browsing through the Oberlo marketplace, pay close attention to the following. Product quality. Look for products with good reviews and high ratings. Don't compromise on quality, even for seasonal items. Shipping times, especially for time-sensitive seasonal events, ensure that the shipping times are reasonable for your customers. Consider filtering by suppliers with faster shipping options if necessary. Pricing and profit margins. Calculate your potential profit margins considering the product cost and your desired selling price. Factor in any potential discounts or promotions you might want to run. Product descriptions and images. While Oberlo imports these, take the time to review and potentially enhance them. Compelling descriptions and high-quality images are crucial for conversions. Once you find suitable products, import them into your Shopify store via Oberlo. Step 3. Create dedicated product collections. Organize your seasonal products into dedicated collections within your Shopify store. This makes it easier for customers to find what they're looking for and creates a cohesive seasonal shopping experience. For example, you could create collections like Halloween Spooktacular, Back-to-School Essentials, or Summer Adventure Gear. Use relevant and engaging names for your collections. Step 4. Optimize your product listings. Go beyond the default Oberlo import and optimize your product listings for the specific season. This includes titles. Incorporate relevant seasonal keywords into your product titles. For example, instead of just LED string lights, consider warm white LED string lights for cozy Christmas decor. Descriptions. Tailor your product descriptions to highlight how the product is perfect for the specific season or event. Emphasize the benefits and how it can solve a seasonal need or desire. Images. Use high-quality images that showcase the product in a seasonal context. For example, show Halloween decorations set up in a home or back-to-school backpacks with school supplies. Tags. Add relevant seasonal tags to your products to improve searchability within your store. Step 5. Develop targeted marketing campaigns. Simply having seasonal products in your store isn't enough. You need to actively promote them. Consider these marketing strategies. Email marketing. Segment your email list and send targeted emails showcasing your seasonal collections and promotions. Offer exclusive discounts or early access to your seasonal offerings. Social media marketing. Create engaging social media content that highlights your seasonal products. Run contests, share user-generated content, and use relevant hashtags. Platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are particularly visual and can be great for showcasing seasonal themes. Paid advertising. Consider running targeted ads on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Google Ads, focusing on keywords related to the specific season and your products. Utilize demographic targeting to reach the most relevant audience. On-site banners and promotions. Feature your seasonal collections prominently on your store's homepage with eye-catching banners. Offer seasonal discounts, bundles, or free shipping thresholds. Content marketing. Create blog posts or articles related to the season and your products. For example, a blog post titled Top 5 Halloween Party Decoration Ideas could naturally feature your Halloween decor products. Step 6. Monitor, analyze, and iterate. Once your seasonal campaign is live, it's crucial to monitor its performance. Keep a close eye on your website traffic, conversion rates, and sales for your seasonal products. Utilize your Shopify Analytics dashboard and Oberlo's tracking features to understand what's working and what's not. Pay attention to which products are selling well, which marketing channels are driving the most traffic and conversions, and where you might be losing customers. Based on your analysis, be prepared to make adjustments to your campaigns. This could involve tweaking your ad creatives, refining your product descriptions, or even adjusting your pricing. The key is to be agile and responsive to the data. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.